Over the past 20 years, the Air Force Civil Engineer Center has faced the challenge of closing numerous military installations across the country. Following closure, the Air Force works with local officials as they transform former bases into successful economic entities for each of their communities. One of the most important challenges the Air Force faces while accomplishing this task is completing the environmental cleanup often needed at each installation. Until recently, engineers at the Air Force Civil Engineer Center estimated it would take hundreds of years to clean up this old fuel storage area at the former Williams Air Force Base. Known as ST012, the site is located at Sossaman Road and Ulysses Avenue. It was used as the main fuel storage and distribution location at the former base from 1941 through 1991. Leaks and spills from when the base was active caused petroleum to seep into the groundwater. Approximately 2 million gallons of fuel are estimated to have been released. To address the cleanup problem, the Air Force and its contractor are installing an innovative technology that removes fuel product quicker and more completely than previous technologies used at the site. The Air Force has worked closely with state and federal environmental agencies, and they are very supportive of the new cleanup approach. With cleanup at the site underway, the goal of the new technology is to reduce cleanup time from over 100 years to a couple of decades. This is made possible by the reinvention of a highly effective technology that has been used in the oil industry for decades.
This site has been under investigation for many years. We've also tried several other technologies that were not very effective. We're very excited now to have this new technology in place, and it started operating in September 2014.
Steam-enhanced extraction, or SEE, involves injecting high-pressure steam into the groundwater in order to heat and free petroleum for removal. After the steam is injected, fuel-laden vapors and groundwater are pumped through extraction wells to an above-ground treatment system where liquid fuel is recovered. Contaminants are removed from the extracted water and vapors to achieve cleanup standards prior to discharge. The fuel recovered by this innovative process is separated and reused to power the remediation system.
Over the past 10 years, great strides have been made in applying this technology to environmental situations such as we have here at Site 12.
The system will be in operation for about 13 months. Located in the middle of one of Mesa's more active areas, ST012 is one of the largest and more challenging steam projects in the country. Situated between a college campus, an airport, and an Army Reserve Center, cleanup of the site will pave the way for further redevelopment success at the former base and save the Air Force millions of dollars at the same time.
We had a strong team that put together all the design details for this system, including AMAC, TerraTherm, the Arizona State Regulators, EPA, and the Air Force, and we're very excited that the system has started and already cleaning up the site.
The Steam-Enhanced Extraction Program at Site 12 is an outstanding example of the Air Force taking action to ensure long-term protection of human health and the environment at the former Williams Air Force Base.